In this quick video guide, we're going to see how we can update our Windows operating system from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Now, this is a pretty easy procedure. You have two options basically. You can either update directly from your computer, or you can go here in the website. If you search for Windows 11, go to download Windows 11, and you will find here the download link. And there is also here a Windows 11 installation assistant. And also, if you go here, you will find this app which is called PC Health Check app to confirm that your device meets the minimum requirements. So if you have some doubts about your machine and the requirements, you can go and install this PC Health Check app, or you can directly go here and check the requirements. So you have two options. So you can download PC Health Check app, or you can go here, see minimum system requirements. And here it's gonna tell you what you will need to install this new version. So you're gonna have a minimum 1 GHz, compatible 64-bit processor, RAM 4 GB, storage 64 GB, and so on. So you can, and display also 720 pixels, and continue. You will find all the information here in the official website. Now, if you are already in your computer, to do the update is pretty easy. Just go there and type update on your Windows search, and then you click here check for updates, and it's gonna show you up here that you can download basically the latest version and Windows 11. You're gonna find a link to download Windows 11, and again to check the system requirements and so on. Now you can see here that I am already downloading, so you will find something a little bit different if you didn't start your download yet. This top bar will be blue, and you will find a download link. It's simple as that. Now you just need to click on that link and just wait for the updates to be downloaded. So you just need to wait here. When it's downloaded, we will be ready for the next Windows. So here we are. This is Windows 11, and you can see here the application menu has changed a little bit. The start menu down here has changed a little bit. Right click, you can get to the taskbar settings, right clicking on the bottom taskbar, so you can customize it, and you can see everything looks a little bit different, the icons and the interface, everything else, but in the end we are still in the same kind of user experience. So you can open up here the file explorer, you have the quick access here on the left, and all the other folders. You can just navigate just as you did before in Windows 10. The difference are the icons right here. So the interface, it looks sharper and also faster, so definitely better than previous. And well, you also have here on the right side the icons for the additional settings, and for example the luminosity and volume. Now everything changed a little bit, but still looking as the previous one. So you will find the same exact things, just they're gonna be displayed a little bit different. Then down here you also have widgets. You can open up widgets down here, and I've added some software in the taskbar. Apparently they all work well, so no problem with the previously installed software. This one here, it's Blender, and it works okay. But you can also test your favorite software to see if they are all looking good and working fine. Now, if you're not happy with Windows 10, you can always go back here to the settings. Now again, to get to the settings, we can simply just right click here and go taskbar settings, and from the taskbar settings you can go up, go into personalization, so you can customize the background, colors, themes. Now everything you usually do in Windows 10, nothing has changed much. And we did other videos about Windows 10. We're gonna do other video guides about Windows 11, so subscribe and stay tuned. Now again, if you want to go back to the previous Windows because I don't know, for any reason, you can go here to Windows Update. Now here you can check if there are other updates and if you need to restart, like it's asking me right now. So after I finish the video, restart here. Always install updates to protect yourself and your computer from malware attacks. Now to switch back, we go to System. Now we can see here that we have a lot of information, and if we just type here restore, we're gonna make it easier and quicker. You can see here you have the option called go back to Windows 10 or reset and other operations here like restore points and so on, but we already created video guides about those topics. So that's basically it. Everything looks fine and just a little bit different, but everything is in place. So you can definitely do the passage from Windows 10 to Windows 11. No issues at the moment, so I'm gonna stay with this version from now on. So if you are interested in typing some comments like suggestions or questions, you can do it in the comments below. And please also subscribe to the channel. And if you want to support us a little bit with the channel, you can join as a supporter so that you can help us to create more videos like this and about Windows, about other apps and software and other things like that. So this is gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next.